Welcome. Hey guys, and welcome to my new course. Before we even start, I'd like to thank you all for joining this class. Nicely, it's really appreciated. I really hope to be able to be a good teacher for you guys and teach you some new stuff by giving you this class. So once again, welcome to Profitable Forex Candlestick Trading Strategy. Forex Trading. In this class, we are going to talk mostly about Forex, and I'm going to teach you how to trade step by step. So you will be able to generate constantly profit, and you're going to learn one of the most profitable trading strategies in the world. And when I said in the world, I meant it. I think everything is too clear to you now, my friend. So let's dive into another part to see what is it there. What will be covered in this course? In this course, you're going to learn how to trade and make very attention at the word trade because I make it with other color. The Forex market and how to use the strategy I will teach you. Plus, which time we enter and when we trade and when not. And you're going to learn where to put the stop loss and take profit. Because that's the most important. You need to know where you put in the stop and where you put in the take profit. And majority of traders, they fail in this wall because they don't know where they put in the stop or the take profit. Sometimes you put it too close to the price, just by nose you came out. And sometimes you put the take profit far away, then the price it went in your favor. Then it went back and hit your stop loss. And that's why majority of traders they lose. Because of that two criteria. Stop loss and take profit. And you're going to learn when to enter and how to manage your trade. Because that is another most important thing. You need to know how to manage your trades. Not just put it and go. And you're going to learn special 3 money management or risk management strategies. I will give you, what can we say, the pure of risk management in this course. So you're going to know the 3 money management strategies or risk management each funds and professional traders they use. And which one you can choose and suit your trading style. Because me, in this course, I'm going to use one risk management strategy, but I will give you the others, then you can choose. If you don't like to work with the same risk management strategy I use you can use the other one. And you're going to see live trade by the strategy I will teach you. And you're going to learn how to use the trading platform and many more things. I'm sure you're going to love this course because it's a unique course. Yes, because it's a very unique course. It's not fabs. Not like majority they teach you online how to use an indicator or how to draw support and resistance or to wait in a pin bar or engulfing candle or all those things. You can find it just by Google. Yeah, I'm going to teach you something it's work. Something it's work, not fabs. Not you wait in the pin bar or engulfing candle or pregnant woman or morning star or all those things. There is many books and videos they teach in them. And nothing of them it's work. Because the market is changed. It doesn't tell how it used to be before. Because now the robots who trade. Majority of investment banks and hedge funds they using robots and intelligent artificial. So it's not fair game. Robots against human beings. So if you want to be in the safe side and to learn from someone who know what he's doing, this course is for you. And I'm sure you're going to love it. So I think, my friend, let's dive into another part to see what is it there. What is the goal of this course? The goal of this course for you guys to will be able to really trade by yourself. I'm not here to try to sell you a strategy that works 100% or a holy grail. My goal here is really to show you what is forex trading, how it works, and what it's the professional approach. Not fibs or blah 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 blah. Because a big difference between professional approach and retail traders approach. If you watch in the news, you see what happened those days in GameStop. What happened there? Because what they do when professionals, the retail traders, they don't do it. So this way, you will be really on your own. The stronger knowledge, and you will be able to be constantly profitable. That's my goal. My goal is not to sell you an indicator or fibs or something is named Holy Grail. Yeah, because majority, if you go now to those affiliation programs like ClickBank, DigiStore24, GVZoo, Warrior Plus, you're going to find a lot of people, they selling indicators and they name it Holy Grail or blah blah blah. And majority of those indicators, you're going to find them only free in other forums. Just you need to make a little bit of search and you find all those indicators. Everything is free. And majority of those people, they never trade. The only problem of them to sell to innocent people fibs and fake things and apply just your emotion to sell you something it doesn't work. That's the goal. That why is it 90% of retail traders they lose. Because majority of the things they feeding them with is just lie. Nothing like that. You're going to find people that told you I got a strategy working 90% to 70%. All that is lie. If Goldman Sachs they making 20% a year, you think a retail trader can make 70% or 90% a year? That's nothing. That's just fibs. So as you will see, trading maybe is not easy. Yeah, it's simple, but it's not easy. But it definitely works. And it changed my life, and it can change your life. Yes, it can change in your life, you watching me. So as I said, my goal here is really to help you understand how to be constantly profitable and to help you start in this world the right and the proper way with a solid knowledge and the right knowledge. Because without the right knowledge, you will be diminished. There is no place for errors in this world. Need to be very, 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 very tough with your trading style. No place for mistakes. Here, if you make a small mistake, you're gone. And trading is one of the most risky jobs in the world. I think I'm too clear with you, my friend. So let's dive into another part to see what is it there. What will you be able to accomplish by the end of this course? You will know exactly how to use our forex trading strategy. You will know exactly how to enter in a trade in any pair. You will know exactly how to use the 3 money management strategies or risk management or name it potatoes management or anything. The most important, you need to learn how to manage, don't blowing up your account. That's what I'm going to teach you in those 3 money management strategies. Most important, don't blowing up your account and stay in this wall. You will know exactly how and where to put the stop loss and take profit using a special technique. As I told you before, majority of retail traders they lose because they don't know where to put the stop and take profit. And as I told you before, trading now, all of it and majority of it, it's made by intelligent artificial or robots. There is no human being because robots they don't got any emotion. Human beings they got emotions in them. Let me give you something very small about the money. When it came to the money, because like if I will told you now, I will give you today $500 today, or if you wait until tomorrow, I will give you 700. You're going to tell me I'll wait till tomorrow. But if I came to you, I told you that man, we are greedy people. And if I came to you and I told you, you're going to give me today 500. And if you don't give it to me today, till tomorrow, you're going to give me 700. You're going to tell me I will give it to you today. Because us, we don't want to lose. That another problem with human beings. We got emotion when it came to the money. And that is one of the big mistakes. And you will be able to do all this by your own, without the help of no one, without to go to buy no signals, no nothing. Just by your own, sitting, wake up in the morning with a cup of coffee or tea or whatever you like to drink in your bed if it's cold, just open a screen of the laptop in front of you, just by a small click in the mouse, you bought. That's it, very easy, and the money is entering. There is nothing easy than that. But with the right knowledge. I think everything is too clear, my friend. So let's dive into another part to see what is it there. Final word. So I hope you guys are excited as me to take this course. Since when you will finish this course, you will be able to trade by your own. And you will have a solid basis about the forex trading strategy I will teach you and how to use it by your own. So let's not wait anymore and let's start our trading journey. I'm looking forward to see you inside this course. And by the way, if you're still not sure, let me tell you a secret, a very big secret about this course. This course, I sell it in another place by $500. Sell it in Thinkific. So use the opportunity before I move the course from here. And that course me, I put it here just because I got a lot of people who support me in the start here in Udemy. But I will not leave it for long here because no one, as we said before, us human beings, even me, I like to make money, 500, not $10. So we'll move it to, I got a copy for it. Is it in Thinkific? And that copy of it here, is it, I put it in Udemy, put it maximum 3 or 4 months. So take the opportunity before it's too late for you. Because the information is here. You can find it in all those courses here in Udemy. Because majority of those courses here in Udemy, they are not high quality courses. All of them, they know people here in Udemy, they don't pay a lot of money. No one can sell you a knowledge by $10. I think I'm clear with you. Give you a very high level knowledge. If you want it, take the action today. If you don't, maybe you come tomorrow, you will not find it here. So let's dive into another part to see what is it there, my friend.